Welcome to Cyber Tech and Risk Talk. Today we have Kamil Zacharski, Senior Director IAM Engineering from RBC to join us. Kamil, thank you very much.
Happy to be here, Brian.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So at the beginning, can you quickly introduce yourself, who you are, and what you do?
Certainly.
Yeah.
I'm Senior Director of Identity and Access Management Engineering for RBC. My team is accountable and responsible for configuring, installing, deploying, as well as developing identity and access management platforms that are used across RBC Enterprise.
So since RBC is a very large organization, I guess there's a lot of work on this one.
Yeah. Lots of work, lots of users, and lots of interesting and challenging issues to resolve.
Right. And also you mentioned your title is engineering. So how does play with the IAM?
So every organization needs a tool set to make their IAM program repeatable and valuable and efficient.
Yeah.
My team engineers those platforms.
Okay.
So we essentially build the tools that enable the IAM processes for the enterprise.
So you're also working with different vendors, solutions, but also you take care of your internal unique demand or needs to come up with the
That is
solution.
correct, yes.
Oh, wonderful. Yes. So how long have you been in the security industry, Kamil?
Security industry, officially about 9 years.
Okay.
My interest in security and IAM in particular started really early on in my career, looking back quite a few years.
Yeah.
I've been interested in it ever since.
Yeah.
And then I was able to formalize it about 9 years ago through different roles across different organizations.
Okay.
That gave me the opportunity to develop myself, develop my career, as well as help the organizations I was working with to enhance their security posture.
Wonderful. So within those 9 years experience, is there any most memorable moment you can share with us?
Certainly. I think the most memorable moment was when seeing my team last year come through with some really challenging projects, some really challenging initiatives, pull together, work collaboratively with other teams to really realize the vision for the IAM platform at RBC and the value that it brings to the organization.
So you mean the team success?
Yes, team success, correct. Yes.
And I guess you said many people involved with this project, I guess. Yes. Probably also under some a tight deadline kind of thing.
Exactly, yes. And that's what makes these things challenging, because you're always struggling to deliver something with a defined timeline and a budget, and the team that you have on hand. So the success of the team, their hard work, their diligence, and their professionalism was really something that I cherish.
Mm-hmm. And also, you probably need to deal with a lot of legacy system, existing ones.
Yes, but we don't need to talk about those.
Okay, cool. All right, so for today, we talk about zero trust security. I think that's also related to IAM as well. Is there any tips you can share with our members related to maybe zero trust or maybe IAM?
Sure, I think zero trust as a framework, as a methodology, I would say is very usable from the perspective of adopting best practices out of it that fit with your organizational culture, as well as the capability that you're looking to realize from it. It's important to not maybe get bogged down in certain aspects of it or single avenues of resolution for the framework to be realized, because every organization is slightly different and its needs are going to be a little bit different. Risk appetite is something that dictates how much of security you put on your enterprise. So that's, I think, something I would say about any framework, zero trust included, the methodology. Take what you need from it and don't necessarily try to boil the ocean.
Okay. So you really need to tailor for your business needs and your business strategy, and make that as part of your cyber strategy.
Yes.
All right, wonderful. Thank you very much, Kamil. Thanks for coming to our Cyber Tech Risk Talk.
Thank you. Happy to be here.